Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a smartphone video rig. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we have a very interesting product that we're reviewing today, and this is actually from the company Movo, and this is the iVlog4 smartphone video kit. And you guys can see it has a bunch of different things that you can use, especially if you're a creator, like if you create content on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Twitch, Facebook, it's like a video kit that you can utilize to get on the road easily with your phone, But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in some sort of like cell phone video kit. And then also, if you're interested in actually getting more details, specifications, or parameters about this video kit, that kind of stuff will be down below in the description for those. If you're interested in getting more technical stuff, details about this product, or if you're interested in actually buying this product, I will also include a link down below in the description. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the box is massive. I don't even know I'm going to fit this onto my second camera angle, but as you guys can see, there's a few specifications and details on the side, which we are going to take a closer look at with a secondary camera angle. So this is how the box looks like. I know it's actually on its side, but with my camera setup, I can't actually face it, portrait mode, but you guys can see it just says iVlog4 smartphone video kit, and you guys can see there's a visual representation of the video kit. But on the back side, there is a few info that I do want to show off before we open it up. You guys can see it just says Movo, creators wanted, and it tells you about, what's included in the box. But what we're going to do now is just proceed with the unboxing, and what we need to do is open it up just like that. You guys can see we're instantly greeted with some sort of booklet. I'm pretty sure this booklet just explains to you all the different necessary steps that you need to take to actually get this up and set up and up and running. Everything actually comes in a nice little black kind of casing, which I'm gonna take out now. But let's actually open up this case. So let's actually first start off with this LED light that they included. This LED light has a lot of different features to it. It's a 20,000 milliamp LED light, and you can even decrease or increase your brightness, and you can also charge it up with a USB-C cable. We have our wide angle lens. This side of the compartment, we actually have some aux cables. We have our microphone's receiver, and we have our microphone's transmitter right here. You do need to put batteries into it. It has on and off on the side. We have our headphone jack and also our line out for the receiver. And then for the transmitter, we obviously have our mic input and our line in, so what we need to use to actually plug the microphone into. We also do get included with a USB-C charging cable for the LED light. I forgot to mention that. Next up, let's take a look at the actual tripod. And let me tell you guys, this tripod is very, very, stable. It's very durable. It's made out of metal. It has nice grips on the side. You can even rotate it. It has that 360-degree panorama. You can even rotate the ball head. This is how the cage looks like. It is made out of solid metal. So do keep in mind, this is going to be something that's going to last for a very long time. But the good thing about this cage, though, is you guys can see they have a bunch of threaded bases throughout the cage. So you can actually attach multiple things, from lights to microphones to, a bunch of different camera accessories that you may have laying around. So this is actually the phone holder. So this is actually what we need to use to actually attach our phone. And what I like about it, it's really robust. Like, look at this. You can rotate it landscape or portrait. They even included some levering measurements, so you can actually see if you're leveled on the ground with this tripod. Next up in this bag, it looks like this is actually our microphone. So let me open it up. It's a 3.5 millimeter audio jack with the microphone end on the other side. Then we also have this remote shuttle, and you can turn it on and off, and I believe this remote shuttle is used for taking pictures instead of you actually having to go over to your phone and clicking on the shuttle button. The last remaining thing that's on this side of this bag is actually our tripod extender. So if you use this, you can actually extend the tripod and make it a lot more taller than, you know, just this height. Inside like this little compartment that they have on the top. So this bag just has our windscreens, our microphone clips that we need to use to actually clip onto the phone, as you guys can see inside those two baggies. And then we also have our, what is it called, our adapter that we need to use to actually hook up onto the microphones so we can actually attach it onto that cage that I mentioned. The last few remaining things inside the packaging is our product service card. And then we also get like a microfiber cloth. But what I'm gonna do now is actually move everything off to the side, and we're gonna move over to the testing and demo part of the video. So as you guys kind of saw with the unboxing part of the video, there is a lot of things included with the packaging of this Creator Kit. So what we're going to be doing though is I'm going to be taking our little cage and we're going to attach it on to our tripod. Rotate it a few times and it should lock up in place. What we need to do is take our phone clip, which is this right here, slide this in and also attach that onto the tripod. So you just kind of need to screw it in a few times until it becomes very, very tight. This is how our setup is looking at the moment. So we have our cage attached onto the tripod, and then we also have our phone holder attached. So now if I wanted to, I can go and take my phone, which I have over here, and we can actually attach it onto this little phone clip. You do need to loosen this up. And once you kind of loosen it up a little bit, now you can easily slide your phone in. And then what you need to just do is retighten it so now that the phone doesn't come out. Let's actually go in and actually attach our LED light. And I'll just put it on this side and then just kind of tighten it in. Just like that. So now we have our LED light attached. So basically what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna proceed to test out this outside. You know, we'll test out our microphone capabilities. We'll test out the handheld capabilities of this. And we'll do a few different shots with this, you know, of me just kind of vlogging and informing myself. Let's do a quick test of the Movo iVlog4 smartphone video rig. And what I'm gonna do is actually start recording on my phone. So you guys can see with the DSLR camera, I actually mounted the lav microphone. And then on my body pack right here, as you guys can see, I actually connected my microphone system. We have a few things connected to this rig. We have our LED light, which I can turn on, but let's, you know, kind of walk around with this. So you guys can see it's a very nice setup. You know, you can use this for vlogging purposes. Like right now, if I wanted to, I can turn this around me and start vlogging if I wanted to. All right, so I just attached the wide angle lens to this camera. So now you guys can see I'm able to capture a larger area with this smartphone rig. And it's really nice that they included these wide angle lens because I know with the new iPhones, Samsungs and stuff, they have dedicated, you know, wide angle lens. But if you have a phone that doesn't, you know, you can use this to really, really open up the potential area you can grab. And this makes for a really good vlogging kit because it's able to capture everything. You can probably see the camera guy in the back now. It's a very, you know, very, very wide, and you can capture a lot of, you know, space and area with these lenses. So that's what I like about this wide angle lens. But I think you guys kind of get the point. So what we're going to do right now is actually wrap up this test, and all the audio that you were hearing through this video was from the Movo smartphone rig. So hopefully you guys can see how good the audio was, and hopefully it didn't break out or anything. But you know, if you want to use this for, like I said, simple content creation on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or whatever platform you use, this is definitely a good starting rig to, you know, at least get your footing into the door. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the final opinions and remarks and end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this video kit from the company Movo? Well, this is a fantastic product for any creator who's trying to get into the creator space. You know, this is a really very versatile product, and I love how there's so many different add-ons you can actually configure or add on later to this little cage. But with that being said, we are going to conclude the video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. And if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product? Leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video out to anybody who may be interested in some sort of video vlogging kit. And then also, if you're a company or business wanting to potentially work with me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you need any photo assistance with this product, you guys can do so by contacting me through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to get more detailed specifications or parameters about this video vlog kit, That kind of stuff will be down below in the description for those who are interested in that kind of information, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this video vlog kit. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I didn't make it, and I'll see you guys all on the next installment of tech reviews and gadgets, hopefully. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.